Hey everybody, day 39 is in the bag. Little bit of a late start today, rain delay. This whole area we've been riding through for the last 4 days since, even in Kansas, that whole area was under a flood watch for the last 24 hours. Ended at 1 o'clock today, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Woke up to rain. I actually went back to sleep. I slept into about 7:30. Awesome. Then we drove down to a Walmart parking lot, did our grocery shopping, hung out for a while. Rain let up about 12:30, kitted up on the road a little bit after 1 o'clock. So definitely a delayed start, but really a wonderful day riding. Didn't get rained on, that was always nice. Sun even came out about halfway through, and just really pleasant. Again, a whole bunch of rolling hills in the Ozarks, although they saved a couple nice little stingers for the very end. But hey, that's life riding. So that's it for today. Tomorrow we press on. Obviously, like I said, I think in yesterday's thing, we were in the Ozarks really until just about the end, just about till we hit the Mississippi River. So more of the same kind of riding, up and down, up and down. Bye for now.